Hello everyone, in this video we're going to work with the explore component, and let's just start right away by creating a new component. We can just close all of these. So yeah, let's just go to our server here. Let's create a new file and let's call it explore servers.js. So here we're going to use our station RCFE to render like a template for our explore servers component. And then the first thing we're going to do, we're going to change this div to main, just like that. And let me just push this a little bit here, and also this one here. So, and inside this one, I'm going to have a container, right? Class name container with a padding top of 5, right? Just like that. That's our container, and inside our container, we're gonna have a card, and then we'll have the card content basically. Okay. Very simple, card and content. Let's add some like titles. Let's put a H1, right? Class name title is 1. Is what I'm gonna call it explore. Right, and then here let's put a paragraph. Class name will be subtitle is 3. Okay, for our subtitle, let's put find full servers or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we have our titles and subtitles, and after this one, we're gonna have like a search bar in a form. So let's just create a form here, and inside that form, let's go to the forms here, input. Let's check. I'm just trying to find this one. Let me see. Just check general. Let's just check the general. Let's see if we can find one that looks like a search, right? Yeah, like this one. You see? Yeah, like this one, this search. So let's just copy this one, or use the one just like this. Just move a little bit. This thing, let's just close this input so it doesn't show like an error here. Let's move that here. This button here, and yeah, that's it. We have that. That's our form. So so below the form, we're going to have like tabs that's going to help you like choose the server categories. So let's find that. Let's go here, components, tabs. Let's open this one, show code, and we can just copy this one, right? Just copy that one and paste it here. This section will be for our tabs. You can just put like comments here so you know. Okay, so we're gonna have like tabs, and below our tabs we're gonna have basically the cars. So here let's put a div with a class name, and inside this one let's call it columns, and a padding top of 1. Perfect. So Inside these columns, we're gonna have a column first. Oops, just like that. And then here, class name will be column, and with a size of 3. And inside that column, we're gonna have the car. So let's just go here to car. Let's see what we can grab from here. We can just grab this one, the car image one. And then the card, it will have a car content, and then, yeah. So let me see. We can just copy this whole car. We can just modify it later. Let's just copy that car, paste it here. That's the car that we cut. Let's move this here. And then this car from here, let's move it to the right, just like this. This picture, we need to close it. Just like that. This one too. And there is something, oh, this big, we need to close this one too. I think, yep. Just like this. Okay, so we have our kind of like the structure. Let's save that. Now let's go to our app here, and then let's import our new component. Let's just copy this one, paste it here, change the name to Explore Servers, right? Just like that. And then here, /Explore Servers. Okay, now let's create a route for that. So let's just copy this route, paste it here, and then we just put explore, explore, and then the component explore servers. Save that. Now we can go to the sign up, the sign up. Let's go layout, server snap, and then the explore. Oh, yep, the link is there. Explore, let me check. Explore. Okay. The component should be able to render. So let's just run dep here. npm run dep. Successfully. Let's go to our project. Let's refresh. We control a couple times. So we load a new JavaScript file, right? We reload, and then we can go to explore. Let's check now, and this is how it will be. So here we're gonna have like all the categories, the server categories. We're gonna have like these search, and here's going to render all our servers or categories, or when we like search or type something. First, you can have like this one separate, like a tab or like a page for search and a page for like explore. But this is how I'm gonna do it. Just do it the way that you want. And so yeah. So in the next video, we're going to start working with the JavaScript for this. And so yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.